To all the nonprofits out there, did you know that you can pay less than $15 per month for a QuickBooks Online Advanced subscription and less than $7 per month for a Plus subscription? I'll show you how to qualify and save thousands of dollars every year. So who's behind this amazing discount? It's actually through TechSoup, a nonprofit that connects other nonprofits with donated or discounted software and tools. Intuit donated QuickBooks Online Advanced and Plus subscriptions. To qualify, you have to provide proof of your nonprofit status. TechSoup will verify this, and they accept different types of proof, such as your listing on an official government database, your certificate of registration or incorporation, a letter from a government body, an official publication, or your organization's governing documents. There are 3 membership levels ranging from DIY, which is free, Boost for $99 per year, and Quad for $200 per year. If you already know what software you need, the free DIY membership will give you full access to donations and discounts. The paid memberships provide additional support and may lower TechSoup's admin fees. The admin fee covers TechSoup's verification process, overhead costs, and outreach efforts. You can find QuickBooks Online by going to the TechSoup website at TechSoup.org, then click on Products and Intuit QuickBooks. And you'll scroll down, and here are the QuickBooks Online subscriptions available for purchase. I'll provide a link to this page in the description below. Intuit has a few restrictions on their products. You can only request 1 product per fiscal year from July 1st to June 30th. You can request 1 subscription product within the organization's lifetime. So if you choose to purchase a QuickBooks Online Advanced subscription, it's one and done. However, you can renew your subscription annually. This is only available for nonprofits with 501c3 designation and to public libraries throughout the United States with annual operating budgets of less than $10 million. So here's the best part. The cost is only an $80 admin fee for the QuickBooks Online Plus subscription and $170 for Advanced. This is an incredible savings considering that subscriptions normally cost $135 per month for Plus and $295 per month for Advanced. After paying the admin fee, TechSoup typically fulfills your order within 3 business days. Once TechSoup approves your request, you'll receive a message at your organization's email address with instructions for obtaining and activating your product. To renew your QuickBooks Online subscription, you have to pay TechSoup's admin fee each year. TechSoup will send renewal reminders to your organization's email address before your subscription expires. Now, what if you already have QuickBooks Online? The good news is that you can move your existing organization's data over to your new discounted subscription if you have an active QuickBooks Online Advanced subscription. If you don't, then you need to temporarily upgrade to Advanced to copy your organization's data, then simply cancel that subscription after completing this process. Thank you for everything you do as nonprofits, making an impact in your communities. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with other nonprofits that could benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks Online and bookkeeping tutorials.